showing you how to pimp your ride on a cheap end, bud. So if you got this, if you got like a 14 to 18 GMC truck, or you have a different style than that, but you got these wheels, pop them up right there, and they look like this, and they're peeled like this, you could sand them and polish them and put all the elbow grease into them, or you could spend, either find these on Marketplace, or you could hit up the onlines there and find them on the eBay. They run you about $100, but we're gonna show you how to pimp your ride for cheap and make it look a little better. Has to be this wheel style, but I know it's a popular wheel style, so you have all the time. They're all peeled and pitted, and look a little bit like crap. So we're gonna uncrap them a little bit and go pick these up. These are chrome covers that go over your existing wheel. Not too sure how I feel about them exactly yet, but we'll see. These are my winter wheels. I got my freaking American Racing freaking wheels on right now. The only reason I'm not running it, these are like crapped too. Chrome's starting to peel on them. The only reason I don't run these in the winter is because they stick out a little bit, and I don't want to cover the side of my truck in salt. So I'm gonna let the fenders do their job with the stock wheels this winter. And it snowed this morning. My truck's filthy. So we're doing this, and we're gonna go throw them on the stock wheels, and we're gonna have a good time. We're gonna friggin' have a pimp ride, pimp grandpa rig, but clean winter daily. So we're driving here, just left Levant. I don't know where we are, but we're on the road, and we're going all the way to Lewiston. Gonna be an hour and a half there, and then about 2 hours, a little over 2 hours home. So yeah, it's gonna be fun. But pick you guys up in a little bit here, make sure we don't crash or anything. All right, little update here, folks. We got a freaking sick ass RV in front of us. Just now realized my high beams were on that whole time. High beam the fuck out of everybody. But got 33 miles left. Check out that RV. Not bad. We got 33 miles left on the interstate, and I don't know how many miles we got after we get off, but been going for almost an hour. I don't know, we probably got 40 minutes left or something. Yeah, so far so good. I saw this one crazy truck driver I was kind of scared of. Goddamn guy was like going in and out of lanes, and I thought he was gonna roll his truck. He was cutting the wheel over into the lane so hard. But other than that, yeah, not bad. Okay, bye. All right, guys, successful little Marketplace deal there. I'm gonna get up to the store up here. I'll stop and show you guys what we got. There is what we got, boys. Some classy chrome covers. They're a little dirty, but nothing a little degreaser won't fix. And yeah, we'll show you guys put them on. You know, I'm sitting there debating whether or not I want to get a slice of pizza or get one of the hot items there at the Sabatis Rusty Lantern Market. Sabatis Irving or whatever. I mean, yeah, it says Irving right there, but the store doesn't. Goddamn, one of them hot items is over $5. Like, well, not necessarily hot, but fresh items. There's goddamn salad and sandwiches, and the big salads were like $12. Sandwiches, I don't know. And then there's like mac and cheese for like $6 or $7. And I was like, well, we got a pizza. Piece of pizza. Probably be like $2.50. Goddamn pizza was like $4.50 or something like that. Almost $5. Should've just got some mac and cheese, for frig sakes. No. Yeah, mac and cheese wouldn't have been healthier, but I could have got a sandwich. Wouldn't have been all fat. Just now realizing my phone's on this many percents. So, hopefully my shitty ass, Surface Charger, whatever, works good. But, anyhow, catch you guys on the friggin' freeway. What up, YouTube? So basically last night my phone died, but we did get them and we got home safely, barely. Good thing my truck has GPS, because if not, I probably just would have been dead in the middle of, where did I go, Ellsworth? Lewiston? One of those. But yeah, so we got the package secured, and today's Thursday, tomorrow's gonna be Friday, and tomorrow night we're gonna clean up them chrome covers. And we're going to get the wheels on, we're going to throw the covers on, and yeah, so we'll see you then. Brief break in the video to update you guys on what's going on here. I told you guys I'd put those covers on Friday. Freaking all dirty. It's Friday. It's 6:52 right now. We're on our way up to Sherman to sell a couple parts off the old truck there, the old GMC, and yeah, we got a front diff and some CV axles. Holy cow, my phone's about to die again. And, but yeah, we got a front diff and some CV axles. I'm gonna go sell those real quick to one of the up north boys, I call them. And, yeah. Well, we're gonna get back home. We're gonna clean up those chrome things and throw them on. And, yeah, have a good night. All right, made a couple quick bucks there. It's 7:30 now. We're rolling back into the homestead. And we're gonna get to work. All right, JD's and Littleman. There's just some dirtiness on here. We need to clean those up real quick, and yeah, we'll see how it goes. Quick little before and after of the wheels. This is, I still gotta finish cleaning this wheel, or this cover. Started taking a paint marker to that, because I thought it'd be cool. I don't know if I'll finish it or not. But yeah, a little bit of elbow grease. There's before. There's an after. We got 3 more to do. Let's do it. All right, guys. A little bit of a weird one here. If you guys aren't familiar, chrome usually you don't have to polish.
Pretty straightforward.
Maybe you can like lightly acid wash it once in a while, like with some dilution. I guess you don't have to polish it, but this stuff was so. It's like there's paint overspray or something on it. It would not come off. So I ended up doing some of this. This stuff's like ancient. I don't even know if they sell it anymore. And then a little orbital polish that we've always used for wheels. And yeah, that takes it all off mostly, and it looks pretty good now. Still see where it's pitted, but a hell of a lot better than it was.
Test spark, and that this engine is feasibly good. We're just going to dump something flammable down the app. I want to hear this spark off and make
Probably put a little bit more elbow grease into this one than I did the next one. But
and then
all these take to work is there's a little plastic piece that you put in the center of the wheel, and then you screw this onto it, and it tightens it and sucks it up in. That's pretty much it. And then your lug nuts squeeze on through there a little bit too. A little added securage. Yeah, there you have it, folks. Wheels are all shined up. Truck's cleanish. This is my spare. 20-inch Snowflake, factory GM Snowflake. Where's the stamping? It's in there somewhere. Uh-oh, maybe we don't get a factory GM. Oh, right there. Apparently they're made in China too. But, oh well, I'm gonna put this under. Never did finish doing that. That'd be way too much work, and it would last probably about like 30 seconds. Also, GM lug nuts suck. This one was all fricked right up, so I didn't put it on. But yeah, these things are a little flimsy, I would say. Not as good as I would like, but they look decent, and they're better than crappy ass wheels. Oh, this one's tighter. Maybe I should put the other one tighter enough. These are the old American Racings here. Dirty. Yeah, these things treat me good. Got about 30,000 miles on these tires, and they're bald. But they've seen a couple spins. See if this thing will cold start. Mouse in my shed. I just saw. So yeah, $100. You can have a 12x16 shed. Comes with all the tools and everything. Just gonna throw it away. If not. So yeah. Got some 5.3 accessories. There's wire harness and accessories, bolt-ons.